Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of emulated on the application of TikTok. You will click on settings, then you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you can search about the application of TikTok. After that, you will go to this sign of first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of TikTok. And then you can update your app if you find updates here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.